Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt view in Clickup to plan, organize, and visualize your project timeline step by step. Gantt view is one of the most useful features in Clickup for managing projects because it gives you a visual timeline of your tasks, deadlines, dependencies, and overall workflow. Whether you're managing a personal project, coordinating with a team, or simply trying to stay organized, Gantt view makes it much easier to understand how everything connects together. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up and use Gantt view inside ClickUp so you can start planning projects more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the workspace, folder, or project list where your tasks are located. Once you're inside the correct project area, look toward the top section of your screen where you'll see the Views bar. This is where ClickUp allows you to switch between different layouts like List View, Board View, Calendar View, and Gantt view. Now click on the View button or the plus icon used for adding a new view. A menu will appear showing several available view types. Under the Popular section, look for the option called Gantt. If you don't immediately see it, you can also type Gantt into the search bar to find it quickly. Once you locate it, click on Gantt view to continue. ClickUp will now generate a brand new Gantt view for your project. You may be asked to give your view a name. Choose something simple and recognizable like Project Timeline, Workflow Schedule, Marketing Plan, or Team Roadmap. Naming your views clearly becomes especially helpful when your workspace contains multiple projects and custom layouts. After creating the view, ClickUp will open the Gantt timeline automatically. At first, the screen may look a little busy, especially if you're new to timeline-based project management, but don't worry because it becomes much easier once you understand the layout. On the left side, you'll see your task list. On the right side, you'll see a timeline view showing dates and task durations visually across the calendar. Each task appears as a horizontal bar stretched across its scheduled timeframe. Now let's talk about preparing your tasks correctly. Before Gantt view can fully function, your tasks should already contain start dates and due dates. Without dates assigned, tasks may not appear properly on the timeline, so if needed, open your tasks and make sure scheduling information is added first. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to edit views and manage tasks inside the workspace. This prevents confusion later if certain options appear locked or unavailable. Once your tasks are ready, you can begin organizing them directly inside Gantt view. To add a new task, click the plus icon or use the Add Task button. Enter a task name and create the task. After creating it, you can schedule the task directly on the timeline. Simply click and drag the taskbar to adjust its dates visually. This is one of the biggest advantages of Gantt view because it allows you to manage schedules much faster compared to manually editing dates one by one. You can also resize taskbars by dragging their edges. This changes the duration of the task without needing to open the task details separately. Another useful feature is task dependencies. Dependencies allow you to connect tasks together so one task begins only after another task is completed. For example, you might need design work finished before development begins. To create a dependency, hover over a taskbar and drag the connector point to another task. This creates a visual relationship between both tasks and help your team understand the project sequence more clearly. You can also create subtasks, assign team members, and monitor overlapping deadlines directly from the Gantt timeline. This makes it much easier to identify scheduling conflicts or overloaded workloads before they become problems. Another helpful feature inside Gantt view is the ability to customize the timeline scale. You can switch between daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly views depending on the size and complexity of your project. For shorter projects, a daily view gives more detail. For long-term planning, monthly timelines usually work better. You may also notice options for showing critical paths and progress tracking. Critical paths help identify which tasks directly affect your project deadline, making it easier to prioritize the most important work first. To keep your Gantt view organized, try grouping related tasks together and maintaining clear task names. A clean structure makes the timeline much easier to read, especially when working with larger teams or complicated projects. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Gantt view in ClickUp to organize projects, manage timelines, and track progress much more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.